I am the CEO for Destination Management, India and South Asia for Koni Destination Management based out of Delhi in India. So our growth into India started with acquiring Sita, which was then owned by a family, which we acquired in 2000, and then we made two more acquisitions. And that's really how we built our business in India. It was through acquisitions. We are in today's, we are today the largest, the strongest, I won't say just the largest, but we're also one of the strongest DMCs in this area and have been for the last 12 years. We are also, we built with, I have a team of 370 professionals, we have 15 offices and the usual infrastructure. But I think what is more important is that we have built our business based on relationship, based on trust, based on certain values, which are, I think, very much appreciated in the markets that we operate in. Traditionally, India has been, the breadbasket for business to India has been Europe. Over the last few years, there has been a little shift. Luckily for us, now we have a strong base. We always had a strong base in Europe. We also have a very strong base in Russia and CIS, including Eastern Europe. And we are building our business out of Asia and Latin America from a growth perspective. So yes, traditionally it is Europe, which has and probably will be for the next few years the main source of business. I think operating in India, we are very fortunate. When I sit with colleagues from the company around the world, we realize this, that we are in a destination that has so much to offer. But it's also a destination where you can create a lot by not doing too much. So that way we have a beautiful position that we are in. And what we did a few years ago is we built within the company. We got a set of very interesting people, got them together, and we set up the Destination Knowledge Center, which is really a small group of people who are thinking for the company and are finding experiences. And we'll come to that. Experiential travel is really the future. So from our offering, it's really what we call Explore, which is we come out twice a year, spring, summer, and winter, as a collection of a few ideas, which involve experiential travel. It involves getting people closer to the community. It involves social projects. It's a bouquet of products which customers would look at and demand over and above what the regular itinerary provides, which is being done for years. And I think this has been received very well, and we keep creating products all the time. And the idea is basically to what exists outside a hotel, which is not a monument, And I think that's what people currently and in the future are going to demand when they visit a place. So we are fortunate we are in India. We have enough.